This sweet and salty combo makes for the perfect after-school snack mix. Plus, it can be thrown together in a matter of minutes. For my mix, I use pretzels, candy corn, spicy Cheez-its, green candies, cashews, and candy eyes to give it a spooky look. Now, mix all of your ingredients and serve in a creepy Halloween bowl. If you are sharing with friends and family, make sure to tell them that this mix contains nuts. You can add or omit any of the ingredients to create your own mixture. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.